Okay, guys. Hi. Why is that? Hi, guys. Good afternoon. Switch on the camera, please. Why is that? Hmm? Hey. I have start कराने दे. Oh. නැත්තම් මෙයාලා join වෙන්න බෑ. That's සීනි මේක අරන් බොන්න මගේ එක අරන් බොන්න නේද? ආ. Okay, guys. Right. Gagana, Sahili, what happened to the others? Ko ape ani bakamono ටික? Huh? What happened to the others? So still I didn't ask you to prepare for a presentation, no? No. That Lahore at Twilight of again. Twilight of again, still I didn't ask you to present because we just complete reading and understanding. The comprehension part has been done, but still we have a lot to discuss. Because of that reason, I didn't ask you to. fan එක දැම්මම සද්ද ඇහෙන්න. අර fan එක තියාගන්න. Right? මේක කට සද්ද මට වෙනට disturb. Okay, Pute. So here today I will teach you something related to the writing part. So here we go. I have asked you to paraphrase. මම already කියලා තියෙනවා question. Paraphrase the question, re-paraphrase the questions කියා කියනවා නේම. එහෙනම් කොහොමද paraphrase එකක් කරන්න කියලායි බලන්නේ. Right? First of all, we will see how we can paraphrase the question. When the question is given, you should not write the question just the way it is. What you have to do? You have to paraphrase it. I don't know why these children are getting late. In the poem Farewell to Barn and Sack and Tree by A. Houseman, the narrator feels unworthy and guilty after his impulsive action. How does the poet bring out this idea? Chimma. Nur Rahma, keep the camera switch on. Hi Aisha, why you got late? Why are you so late? Nur Rahma, here after sharp 5 o'clock you had to be in the class. Aisha, what happened? Tell me the reason for being late. Right, no reason. Laziness. Right, the Farewell to Barn and Sack and Tree by A. Houseman. The narrator feels unworthy and guilty. Right? Guilt and unworthiness here. One, unworthy and guilt. Right? Impulsive action here. Here, impulsive act. Okay? Why? Answer करें. Okay, Pute? Right. So, what we can do in the poem Farewell to Barn and Sack and Tree by A. Houseman, the narrator feels unworthy and guilty. The poems we examine touch on various themes that explore human emotion and societal influences. Right? So, the same question, what we have done the paraphrases. Right? The narrator feels unworthy. After his compulsive action, how does this poet bring out this idea? The poem we examine touch on various themes that explore human emotional and social influences. In Farewell to Barn, Sack and Tree by A. Houseman, the narrator experiences feeling of guilt and unworthiness. Hello? fix कर लेती है नहीं कहते. Yes, Pate?
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, darling.
Madam, now only I joined the class. What is the topic going on?
We are discussing how to do the paraphrasing.
Okay.
Right? How to paraphrase the
Okay.
question.
Thank you.
මම paraphrase එකට කලින් ඔයාලට ඊට කලින් මම මේක අරගෙන ඉන්න ඊට පස්සේ paraphrase එකට එන්න මට චුට්ටක් මෙතන change කරන්න ඕනේ. I just want to make some changes because of that reason. First of all, we will discuss about this creative line to start the introduction paragraph. While writing the introduction paragraph, I told you when you start your paragraph, when you start your essay, there, what you have to do? You have to start your introduction paragraph by giving a creative line. So all the 20 poems I have given you creative lines and you are going to write your own. Hari the first එක බලමු. To the Nile. So the Nile poem එක ඔයාලා කරලා තියෙනවද කියලා මට කියන්න නැත්නම් මම ඒක skip කරලා යනවා. Have you studied To the Nile poem? Yes. So you understand the writer is talking about the glory of the river, and initially he criticized the people who worship the river, and he criticized the river for accepting such glory from the people when when the river hasn't done anything special towards the people. And latter part of the poem again he changed his mind and appreciate the river, appreciate the river and its quality, right? So a river that has sustained civilization for centuries, the Nile flows with both mystery and reality. Is it is it truly the life-giving force people believe it to be, or just a mirage in the vast desert? That is the line, right? A river that has sustained civilization for centuries. For centuries, this river has provided the life blood to the people, right? So the Nile flows with both mystery and reality. It's mysterious, at the same time it's real. Is it truly the life-giving force people believe it to be? මිනිස්සු විශ්වාස කරනවා වගේම මෙයා මේ ජීවිතේ දෙනවද? Right? Just the way people trust, just the way people believe. Is it giving the life blood to the people? Or just a mirage in the vast desert? Mirage, trick, right? Hallucination, imaginary force, right? Is it another one, is it a trick? Make a බොරුවක්ද මායාවක්ද? එහෙම නැත්නම් ඇත්තටම මේක වෙනවද? That is the starting line for the poem To the Nile. You write your own line for the Nile poem. ඔයාලා ලස්සන creative line එකක් මට ලියලා පෙන්නන්න. ටක් ගාලා ලියලා මට you first of all you write it in your book and then type it in the chat box. First type it, first write it, then type it. About the poem To the Nile, huh? What? බොන්න එපා ඉතින්. මොනවාද ඉන්නේ වෙය? I asked you to write a creative line for the poem To the Nile. Hmm. හොඳට ලියලා තියෙනවා කියලා කිව්වද? ලකුණක් කියන්න දුන්නාද? පුතේ done? Let me see. Show me yours. බලමු. Azka, did you go to school today? Azka, did you go to school? हाँ माँ skip करी. Hello, can I have the questions? බලමු chat box එකේ දාලාද කියලා. නැත්නම් ඔයාලට මම මේකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද මේ Padlet එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Shall I give you a Padlet or are you going to drop your answers in chat box? ළමයි 3 දෙනයි පටන් ගන්නකොට හිටියේ 7 දෙනෙක් පරක්කුයි. co-host කරලා නේ. Okay right. මේ co-host යවන්න. Oh my god. මට බලන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට මේ tab එකේ sorry screen එකේ බලන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට මට co-host යවනවා වගේ chat කරන්න. මේ ගුරු නිවාස hall F කියලා තියෙන. ටක් ගාලා පුතේ අද ගොඩක් වැඩ තියෙනවා කරන්න. We have a lot of works to do. බලන්න කිව්වකෝ. බලන්න ඔයාලා ලියපෙක මට පෙන්නන්න. This is the version I gave you, a river that has sustained civilization for centuries. The Nile flows with both mystery and reality. Is it truly the life-giving force people believe it to be? Or just a mirage in the vast desert? Huh? Write yours. බලන්න ඔයාලා ලස්සන line එකක් ලියන්න. To the Nile poem එකට ලස්සන මේ creative line එකක්. Nobody wrote. Are you going to write or not?
Teacher, I sent it.
Where? In what?
Chat was not good.
Okay, right. Vimasha. Is that Vimasha? Saheli. Saheli, yeah. Nile flows, Putta. Nile flows quietly through the silent land while blessing the desert with the gentleness of water. මේ පුතේ මෙහෙමයි. මේ ඇවිල්ලා මම ලියලා තියෙන එකමනේ. I don't want you to copy mine. You write your own. Right? I have given in a question form. I have written it in my own way. You don't want to follow the same. You can you can utilize your creativeness. Right? Don't follow me. Don't copy me. Useless. Right? I can't be you. You can't be me. You are unique in your own way. You are better than me. මට දන්නේ නැහැ මේ නූර් රහ්ම කවදාද දන්නේ නැහැ අර මුගටියා හුඹහෙන් එළියට දානවා වගේ ඔළුව පෙන්නගෙන ඉන්නවා. Right? Always she is doing the same. Just like that mongoose put his head out from that ant hill. That's how she always keeps her camera. Every single day I say, Noor, keep your camera properly. Every single day she repeats the same. Typical Sri Lankan fellows. Typical Sri Lankan blood. හරිද? මට මෙහෙම මං ආස නැහැ. මට ඕනේ when I see my children, they should shine better than me. Right? I should find them as very creative and I should think, oh my God, how nicely they write. See their ideas. එහෙම හිතෙන්න ඕනේ. මට මාව reflect එපා මට. Do you really think that Nile is the sustaining force that has with මේ බලන්න මම දීප එකම මට වෙනස් කරලා දීලා තියෙනවා. මං හිතන්නේ මේක AI එකෙන් කරලා තියෙනවා. You have done this one. මං හොය AI detection එක දාලා බලන්නද කොච්චරක් AI ද?
No, miss, I wrote it by myself.
Okay. But it's look AI generated and another version of mine. Do you really think the Nile is the ඔය හැමෝම ලියලා තියෙන එකමයි. මට ඕනේ something different. Nile poem එක ගැන something different.
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, can you see my answer as well?
Yeah. Where did you send that?
Chat box.
A chat box. Send it to this Guru Nivasa Hall F so that I can access through my screen. A river but a
Yes,
gold for people
send it through that.
in the desert. The Nile is the hope for the peoples, but actually is it so fruitful or beguile the people? Puthe, මේක හොඳයි. හරිද? Who is this? Hirusara. Hirusara, this is a good one. But there are no words called peoples. People is the plural form. Person is the singular form. People itself plural. Then what is this? A people's bank. ඒ කියන්නේ මහජනයාගේ බැංකුව. Right? එහෙම නැතුව ජනයාගේ නෙමෙයි. ජනතාවගේ කියන්නයි apostrophe mark එකයි ඒ people's bank. People's කියලා word එකක් නැහැ. තේරුණානේ? People මිනිස්සු. Person පුද්ගලයා. People itself plural. So a river but a goad for people that in the desert. Right? The Nile. ඉස්සරහට දාන්න පුළුවන් the Nile, the Nile, a river, not a river. Right? The Nile, not a river but a goad for people that reside in the desert. Right? The Nile is the hope for the people, but actually, is it so fruitful? Or is it beguile the people? Does it beguile the people? So it's a question mark. It's a question mark, but it's a nice try. I like it. Something unique. And Azkar, nature is an unimaginable gift and it has hidden power that we can't conclude. That's a good one. Right? Nature is so unique, so different, so remarkable. Right? But it has a hidden power and we can't give a conclusion for that. Right? That's a good one. Where is yours? Where? Beneath the sun's golden gaze, the Nile whispers, secret of time, cuddling the Med me pa? Crawling the sands of ancient dreams. මේක එන්ද ගත්තේ? එහෙනම්? Okay, we'll see. Right, ready? Aisha, what is that diagram on the whiteboard? Is it something related to the commas?
It's related to science, Miss. I have summarized the elements and
Okay, one chapter. One chapter. Summarize. Okay. Summary of the one chapter. Okay. ඔයාලත් මේ වෙනකොට grade 10 එකේ අදාළ ඔක්කොම shorts note ඔක්කොම හදලා ලෑස්තිද? You have completed grade 10's work. Everything is perfect. So now you are doing grade 11 work. සාමාන්‍ය grade 10 එකේ 60% නේද ගන්න? 40% from grade 11, 60% from grade 10, right? මේ වෙනකොට grade 10 එකේ සම්පූර්ණ notes, shorts notes ගහලා 8 units එකේ ලෑස්ති වෙලා කියලා කියන්නේ ගොඩක් හොඳයි ඉතින්. එහෙම තමයි හරිනම් ඉන්න ඕන. That's good. That's great. Vimasha, we'll see. The non-living emperor giving life to the barren Africa. Africa, A should be capital. The non-living emperor giving life to the barren Africa. Right. Make a sentence එක හරි පුතේ. Basic හොඳයි. Have you experienced, have you seen a non-living emperor giving life to the barren land in Africa? It's a question mark. It's a question mark. So you can make it bit descriptive, bit attractive. Okay, Pute? Right. Okay, now we'll move to another poem. අමෝද්‍ය ඇයි මෙච්චර ඉක්මනට නැගිට්ටේ? අමෝද්‍ය ඇයි මෙච්චර වෙලාවට නැගිට්ටේ? අමෝද්‍ය
connection issue.
You had a connection issue. අනේ මන් දන්නේ මේ connection එකත් අපිට support කරන්නෙම නෑනේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. අර curtain shop එකේ නම මොකද්ද බබා? ඈ? G අයිද? At 10. 12න් 10යි register කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඇයි? ඇයි ඒ? 10න් 12ක් කියලා කියන්නේ ගොඩක් හොඳ පර්සන්ටේජ් එකක්. GI අනිත් එක මොකද්ද? GI ඔක්කොම පොයන්ස් 20යි නේ තියෙන්නේ. මොකටද? ගොඩක් ඉන්න. මම ඔයාලට ඉන්න. ඔයාලත් 11 නේ. You guys 11. හරි මෙන්න මේක බලන්න මම ඔයාලට චුට්ටක් ලයින්ස් ටිකක් දැම්මා එකේ මේ බලන්නකෝ හරිද to the Nile එකේ බලන්න the Nile winds like a silver thread through the arid desert carrying not just water but the weight of centuries of civilization and untold stories beautiful one no? Right, the Nile winds like a silver thread through the arid desert. Okay, carrying not just water, it's not only the water it carries, but the weight of centuries of civilization. Shataka gananavaka shishtaacharaye tamai me aragene yanne and untold stories no kiyapu kathawal ekkala. Right, see the second one, each green rush that sprouts along its bank is a quite testament to life, thriving in the harshest conditions, whispering secrets of fertility and resilience. Its currents seem to cradle both kings and laborers alike, reflecting a timeless rhythm of toil, devotion, and survival. Maybe its currents seem to cradle both. What happened? Huh? Okay. Its currents seem to cradle both kings and laborers alike, reflecting a timeless rhythm of toil, devotion, and survival. Sunlight sparkle on its wave like scattered gems, illuminating both the beauty and the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. The river's journey to the sea mirrors human existence itself, flowing through trials, nourishing life, and ultimately embracing the vast unknown. Right? So the life also like that, no? We start our journey, fulfill a lot of people's requirement, and finally go and combine ourselves with something that we don't know. නේද අපි මරණයෙන් පස්සේ අපේ හුස්ම ගිහිලා මොනවද වෙන්නේ we don't know, right? So vast thing to understand. අන්න ඒ වගේ to the Nile එක ගැන තියෙන creative lines පහක්. ඔන්න දැන් bird came. හැබැයි මේවා copy කරලා මේකෙන් versions එපා. Think something different. මේ බලන්න a bird came down the walk ගැන. A small bird moves delicately, caught between the instinct to survival and the innocent curiosity of a world it barely understands. So they have what? Instinct to survive. තමන්ගේ පණ බේර ගන්න ඉවක් තියෙනවා සත්තුන්ට. That's why they always cautious. හැමතිස්සම හරි පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්නේ. They see all the everywhere. They become very alert because the nature itself has provided them that instinct. ඉවක් තියෙනවා යාලට. හරිද? But the innocent curiosity of a world it barely understands. They are so curious about the world. What is there? What is happening around them here? Another line, each careful bite of the worm and the cautious glance with rapid eyes reflect the tension between life's beauty and the danger lurking in nature's order. They have to survive. They have... ඒකේ එයාලා බලහගෙන ඉන්නේ. අහහ. හරිද පුතේ? මේ බලන්නකෝ. Each careful bite of the worm for the survival. Cautious glance with rapid eyes for what? The danger lurking in nature's order. So the nature provides you food and it converts you into somebody else's food. Right? So that's what you see here. Third one, the simple act of offering a crumb becomes a fragile bridge between human kindness and wild freedom. Even if a fleeting moment, the bird's every motion reaches patience, caution, and the subtle poetry of everyday life. The silent word of the garden is alive with drama and grace, reminding us that beauty often hides the raw, unspoken struggles of life. ඔයාලා මට ලියලා දෙන්න a bird came down the walk එකට creative line එකක්. ටක් ගාලා ලියලා ටුක් ගාලා chat box එකේ දාන්න. I have given you 5 samples. I want you guys to write one. Not same like this, but your own one. बाबा टैब के दे मत नहीं මේක චුට්ටක් ඕපන් කරලා දෙන්නකෝ hotspot ඈ වැඩ කරන්න ටැබ් එක දෙන්න give me the tab give no need give I don't know about that. Who is that? Who doesn't know about the poem? Who is that?
Teacher me.
Hirusara. Hirusara, you didn't learn, no? Who is Amodya? What are you doing, man? Amodya, Amodya is crazy. Put they done? Right, let me see. Let me see what you have done. Aisha Maulana. Everything is best in its original form. Nature, too, wishes to remain authentic. But what happens when humans interrupt its peace? Very good. It's a good one. So, this. Ah, Shah. Good. බලන්න. ටෙක්ස්ට්බුක් එකේමද හදලා තියෙන්නේ ඕනේ. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's great. මම ඔයාලට මේ කරපු poems වලට දැන් මම මේ දවස්වල හදාගෙන ඉන්නවා notes ටිකක්. මම දාන්නම් ඔයාලට. මං අද කරා මේ මං අලුතෙන් කරන බැච් එකේ නූරහ්මා was there no නූරහ්මා is there here yes නූරහ්මා අද මං ෂෙයා කරපු ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක කොහොමද how was it හරිද
It's very clear and understandable.
පුතේ
It's very clear and understandable.
understandable okay I'll show මං ඔයාලට ඒක ඔයාලගේ LMS එකෙත් මං දාන්නම් මං හිතන්නේ ඒක අර මේ see ඔයාලට මේක බැලුවොත් එහම ආපහු ඔයාලට ෂෝට් නෝට් එකක් ඕන වෙන්න මම ඔක්කොම පොයම්ස් වලට හදනවා මං එකෙන් එක ඔයාලගේ දාන්න මේ ඊගල් එකේ එක pictures එක්කලා right each lines වල මොනවාද නැහැ AI Gemini එකේ ChatGPT එකට වඩා Gemini එකේ pictures මේ minute ලියා දෙනවා details එක දුන්නාම minute එකට දෙනවා යා මේකේ මේ අර මම ඔයාලට ආයේ ෂෝට්ස් නෝට් එකක් ඕන වෙන්න මේකේ ඔක්කොම දේවල් තියෙනවා මේ සම්පූර්ණ ස්කෙච් එකක් මම අරන් තියෙනවා themes ටික අරගෙන picture format එකේ literary devices ටික මේ විදිහට දාලා සම්පූර්ණ නෝට් එකක් මේ විදිහට එක එක line එකකින් line එකට ඔයාලා print කරලා තියා ගන්නවා නම් හරි ඕනනම් ඔයාලට ඕන විදිහට maintain කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ themes ටිකත් එක්කලා quotations ඊට පස්සේ literary devices ටික explain කරලා ඒකත් very short form එකකට literary device එකයි ඒකේ quotation එකයි විදිහට මම මේක share කරන්න okay right so පළමු තව මොකවද ලියලා තියෙන්නේ විමාශා පළමු විමාශා එක a bird who is a tiny living being in large world bringing the message of the innocence purity and kindness of nature with its little steps good one very good one nice one Usman nature of a bird shown by words nature of a bird shown by words and how its actions change after human interactions okay good Azka be a contented and self-satisfied person if you follow this you will be safe at any moment and over desire will make you fall this is not an introduction line this is a thought-provoking message making with a conclusion එකක් නෙදෙන්නේ right finally you have to do this finally you have to do that කියනවා again this is the thought provoking message not the startup message startup line should give a creative starting so you should bring the writers to a point where they become so excited to see what's happening මේක කියවුවම හිතන්නේ මොනවාද okay self satisfied වෙන්න contented වෙන්න මේ ඕනට ආසාවට ඉඩ දෙන්න එපා කියන එක final message Aska understood my point yes මේ සන්දික තා ෂුට් වෙලාවක් ඉඳලා ආව නම් hi teacher bye teacher කියන්න තිබ්බා
Madam, shall I?
Please go ahead. When I started the class, I was so disappointed to see only 3 people. I was like, why these people are not attending classes? And now we have nearly 12 students. That means 9 of you were late, super late. I don't know the reason. Nur Rahma, the nature's simplicity and satisfaction is something polar opposite of modernity. Good. Right. We'll move to the third poem. අපි යමු ඊළඟ poem එකට. What?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, baby.
Teacher, you didn't read my one.
That mean I didn't see yours. I'm not showing any bias, you know. I don't have favoritism. If I show favoritism, it's only for you. So definitely I didn't see yours. Tamil, do we have Aisha? Aisha. Nurama, சொல்லுவாங்க தானே?
Yes, miss.
Nurama, Aisha, இது சொல்லுவாங்க தானே? இவ்வளோ அடிச்சாலும் தாங்குவா ரொம்ப நல்லவன். That is Amodya. Amodya, you understood what I said? You know? In drama, එක drama එකක තියෙනවා. ඒකේ මේ joke කවුද අපි කියන්නේ? විකට් එයාට මොනවද කියන්නේ? මේ ජෝකර්ව අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා ගහනවා ගහලා ඊට පස්සේ ඇවිල්ලා කියනවා කොහොමද ගුටි කෑවේ කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ මෙහෙම ගැහුවා අරහෙම ගැහුවා එහෙම ගැහුවා මෙහෙම ගැහුවා කියලා ඊට පස්සේ මේ අර අහනවා කොච්චර ගහලා කොහොමද ඉවසගෙන හිටියේ එතකොට කියලා. එතකොට එයා කියනවා ගහලා එක දෙයක් කිව්වා ඒක මට හිතට හරි තදට වැදුනා කියලා. ඒක මොකද්ද කියලා හැම එයා කියනවා කොච්චර ගැහුවත් මේ ඉවසන හදවතක් තියෙන මිනිස්සෙක් කියලා කිව්වා ඒක තමයි මට දරා ගන්න බැරුව කිව්වේ. You're like that only. අනේ මේක. හරි. පුතේ අම්මා අපි ඊළඟ එකට eagle high on the cliff. What is the cliff? The peak point of the rock, right? Peak point of the rock cliff. The eagle embodies solitude, strength and majesty. What is solitude? Loneliness. Solitude, strength and majesty, gazing down at a world that seems small when it's its immense power. A bird is top of the rock and he is seeing down. For comparing to his powerfulness, he seems the world as powerless, weak component. Right? එකයි පළවෙනි line එකෙන් කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Its wings and talons, poised like nature's sharp instruments, reflect the delicate balance between dominance and vulnerability. So the vulnerable animals, vulnerable creatures, and the eagle has the power, has the dominance quality to grab them. Right? So its wings and talons. Wings help them to fly and talons help them to capture the prey. Poised like nature's sharp instruments reflect the delicate balance between dominance and vulnerability. Right? The feathers are soft, talons are tough. Right? It is the balance of the nature. So when one creature is powerful, the other one is vulnerable. Right? When men are powerful, women are vulnerable. ඔයාලා දැකලා තියෙනවනේ කොච්චරනම් අපි කතා අහලා තියෙනවද ළමයි? We have heard 1,000 stories about the women. You go through their profile and you find how intelligent they are, how successful they are, but they have fallen into traps of very little ones. නේද? මේ ළඟදී යන කතාවේ වුණත් අපි බලන්න පුළුවන් නේ සමහර ගෑනු කටි they are so talented but fallen into trap of that small boy. නේද? So that is the powerfulness and the vulnerability. When one person is powerful, the other one is vulnerable. Otherwise this balance won't be there. එහෙම නැත්නම් balance එකක් නැහැනේ. නේද? Tennyson's imagery transforms a mere bird into a symbol of freedom, ambition, and unstoppable force that commands awe from every observer. Tennyson imagery transforms a mere bird into a symbol of freedom. Eagle is just a bird, But here, the poet symbolized him into a freedom, ambition, and unstoppable force that commands over from every observer. When we observe this story, right, when before I teach the poem, the eagle, I went through several YouTube videos so that I wanted to take take an impression about eagle. So මම අද ක්ලාස් එකේ ෂෙයා කරගත්ත එක ස්ටෝරි එකක් මම හිතන්නේ මම ඒක ඔයාලට කලින්ම කියලා තියෙනවා. අර මේ ඊගල් එයාගේ බීක් එක මේ බ්‍රේක් කරන එක, talons remove කරන එක. I have shared it with you, no? Amodya, have I told you? Yes, right? So ඔන්න වගේ ගොඩක් stories තියෙනවා. So just a bird for us, for the others, if you go and tell your father, he may think, අපෝ eagle, who cares? ඔය ඉන්නේ ඕන තරම් ගලකින් ගැහුවොත් මැරලා වැටෙනවා නිකන් මේ කටහගෙන යනවා යන්නේ කියලා කිය. නේද? It's just a bird for us. නේද? boy කෙනෙකුට කැටපොල්ලක් අරගෙන ගහලා මරන්න පුළුවන් bird කෙනෙක් නේ. But still here when we read this poem, the special awe, special respect comes to our mind. Now we start to consider him as a superior component. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right. Even its silent stance speaks louder than any noise, a reminder that power is often quite controlled and precise. So the eagles are not parrots. Eagle and parrot, also the birds. Both comes under the parrots category. Both comes under the birds category. But parrots keep talking and they are able to fly high. Eagle keeps silent and shows their power and authority. Right? The powerful people keep themselves silent. Okay, right. The eagle's sudden dive captures the intensity of life's swift and inevitable moments, striking like a thunderbolt against the calm of the world below. Right. ඔන්න පහක් මගේ තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා එකක් ලියන්න බලන්න. මම පහක් දීලා එකයි ඉල්ලන්නේ. කොච්චර සාධාරණ ටීචර් කෙනෙක්ද බලන්න. අහිංසක මිනිස්සෙක්. පහක් දීලා එකක් ඉල්ලනවා. I have given 5 examples. I am asking only one from you. ඔයාලට ප්‍රියා ටීචර් වගේ හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ කොහෙවත්. Amodya, don't laugh. අනේ ටීචර්. Oof. අපිට පැරෆ්‍රේස් එකක් කරන්න තියෙනවා පැන්චෝ ටක් ගාලා කරන්න. මම 7 වෙනියටලු බබා ඉන්නේ ගොඩනැගිලි. මම 7ටලු ඉන්නේ. 7 ඒ කියන්නේ අභිමත් සර්, ශහාන් සර්, තන්සි ටීචර්, ලෝකස් සර්, ඒෂාන් සර්, කවුද නැන්නේ රෂීද් සර්. අත්තා අය කවුද? අභිමත් සර්, ශහාන් සර්, තන්සි මිස්, ඒෂාන් සර්, ආලෝක සර්, අය රෂීද් සර්. අතම අය කවුද? Yes. Anama? Pahalava Visavati. Quickly, once you send me the message, tell me, teacher, read out mine, please, කියලා. Askar, are you praying? Noor Rahma, did you perform your prayers? Mahari pray panningala?
இல்லை டீச்சர் சொல்லணும்
Ah?
இல்லை சொல்லணும் டீச்சர்
தொழுதுட்டு வாங்க ஓடிட்டு. Aisha, where is she? Aisha is not there. Aisha left. What happened to Aisha? පුතේ ටක් ගාලා දෙන්න බලන්න මට.
Teacher,
Yes, පුතේ.
I send it.
Wait, I'll see that. බලන්නකො non paid මෙච්චරක් ඉන්නවනේ. try කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay, everyone said it. Hmm? For what? Hari Pancho, Hari the Palamuapi. We'll see who has written, whose creativity. Noor Rahma, the eagle's majesty, power, domination, and intelligence is remarkably unimaginable. Very good. Nice one. Usman, a bird which is bold, strong, and powerful. This bird experiences many hardship in life. A bird which is also feared by many. The eagle. Okay, right. Good one. Sahili Dulanya, a harmless bird who looks like frightened bees. This is...
It was for the last one.
Yeah, where's the new one?
Still typing, teacher.
A harmless bird who looks like frightened bees, a part of nature which is interfered by the human presence when crossing his path just to live his freedom. Yes. The eagles. Okay, right. Hirusara. Hirusara. The world is quiet when he came to the cliff. Also, the powerful sea also become a river. So, is this bird is so powerful than the nature? Is this bird is so powerful than the nature? Question mark. Why is the nature created? Why is the nature created a bird? ඒකේ තේරුම මොකක්ද දන්නවද? Bird nature එක created කරා කියලා. Why is the nature created? Nature එක ඇයි හැදුවේ නේ? Why does the nature create a bird that powerful than the nature? Than the nature. That's a good one, but some changes should be there. The eagle, the king of the endless blue sky, uniting the hell and heaven. Uniting. What's the meaning of uniting? Hell and heaven by its wings of glory and blends its endless power and glowing majesty with blue sky. Glowing majestically, glowing its majesty in the blue sky. Glowing its majesty in the blue sky. Saheli, the Salali king of the sky. The Salali king of the sky stands high above a cliff, dominating the kingdom while appears to be strong-willed, fearless, and witness his power and freedom. Good. Aisha Maulana, from silence comes power. The eagle watches from the cliffs, spreading its authority and power over the powerless. Very good. Good one that. Amodhya. For a moment, everything feels small. High about it, all the eagles, about it, all the eagle waits. Good one. Right. ඔන්න ඔය වගේ creative lines ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Shall we focus the paraphrasing part now? හරි. Paraphrasing part එක ගමු. ඊට පස්සේ අපි පුළුවන් තරම් essay type questions practice කරමු. This one. What? Which one? මගේ මේ හරි පුතේ පැංචෝ Okay, done? Yes. Oh, this meeting is being transcript for? No, I don't know. Transcript for AI companion. Did you request me for that? No, right? Okay, right. So, here, when you receive the question, you should paraphrase it. You should not write the original version. The same question should not be copied and write again. Am I lagging? Am I
Sometimes the board becomes blurry.
Pute?
Sometimes board becomes blurry.
Blurry. Why is that? Hi. To the Nile, how does the John Keats portray the Nile as both fertile and mischievous? On balanda, into the Nile, how does John Keats portray? Portray one. How does the portray describe one? See how I have replaced each word. Nile as both fertile and mysterious. Here, richness and mystery. Fertile and mysterious. Richness and mystery. And what imagery? Imagery. Here, images. Here, show its importance. Show, convey. Show, convey. Significance, importance. African civilizations, African life. See this one? ළමයි මෙන්න මේ paraphrase version එක කියලා කියන්නේ ඔයාලට literature විතරක් නෙමෙයි English language එකටත් මාර important point එකක්. තේරුණානේ? So you have to paraphrase the question when you are doing the chart description. Bar graph, line graph, pie chart, Venn diagram and all. මම ඔන්න ඔය chart description එකට ඔයාලට free seminar එකක් කරනවා. මට චුට්ටක් මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න ගෲප් එකේ පුතාලාගේ ෆ්‍රී ටයිම් එකේ ෂුට්ටක් මට දාන්න. එතකොට මම ෆ්‍රී සෙමිනාර් එකක් කරන්නකොට මම ඩේට් එක ෆික්ස් කරනකොට ගොඩක් කට්ටියට ෆ්‍රී ටයිම් එක තියෙන වෙලාව බලලා ෆ්‍රී මේ සෙමිනාර් එකක් මම ෂෙඩියුල් කරනවා ඔන්ලයින් සෙමිනාර් එකක්. ඔයාලට බාර් ග්‍රාෆ් ක්වෙස්චන් එක 10 මාක්ස් ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් නේ O level exam එකේ. ඒ ක්වෙස්චන් එක A to Z කරනවා වගේ සෙමිනාර් එකක් මම ෂෙඩියුල් කරනවා. ඔයාලා මට පර්සනල් මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා තියන්න ටීචර් these are my free days කියලා ඔයාලගේ free days දාලා තියන්න. වැඩිම ප්‍රමාණයකට එන්න පුළුවන්. මටත් feasible time එකකට මම ඒක කරලා දෙනවා. හරිනේ? මේ බලන්න. To the Nile, how does the John Keats portray? How does John Keats describe the Nile as both fertile and mysterious? The Nile, richness and mystery. And what imagery does he use conveys significance to African civilization? Then, and what images show its importance to African life? Have you noticed the way of paraphrasing? Paraphrasing කරනකොට question එක ගන්න පුතාලට portray එකට මොකද්ද ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් වචන. portray එකට මොකද්ද ලියන්න පුළුවන්? describe, illustrate, shows, right? explains, showcases, depicts කියලා වචන ටික. ඊළඟට fertile and mysterious, richness and mysterious ඒ වගේ ලියන්න පුළුවන් වචන ටික. ඊළඟට imagery, visuals, pictures, images. ඊළඟට convey, tells, shows, delivers, explains ලියන්න පුළුවන්. significance, important, paramount, vital, critical, right? අන්න ඒ වගේ. ඊළඟට civilization, life, human life, lifestyle, way of living, different. ඊට පස්සේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? ඒ වචන ටික රිප්ලේස් කරලා වෙනමම පැටර්න් එකකට සෙන්ටෙන්ස් එක ගොනු කරන එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොකක් කියලාද පුතේ? paraphrase කරනවා කියලා. තේරුණාද නැද්ද? Understood or not? Write down the first one and the paraphrase version. I'll explain the second one as well. First එක ලියා ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ underline කරලා ඒවට තියෙන paraphrase version එක. ඔයාලා මෙහෙම ලියන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ විදිහට ලියන්න. portrait එක ගන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ portrait එකට දාන word එක මොකද්ද? describe. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ fertile එකට මොකද්ද දාන්න පුළුවන්? richness. හරිද? ඊළඟට mystery එකට මේ mysterious එකට මොකද්ද දාන්න පුළුවන්? mystery. right? imagery වලට මොනවද දාන්න පුළුවන්? visuals. or images. එහෙම නැත්නම් pictures. right? ඊළඟට මොනවද? convey එකට දාන්න පුළුවන්? show, deliver අන්න ඒ වගේ වචන ටික දැම්මා. ඊට පස්සේ වෙන වචන use කරලා මේ sentence එක වෙනත් විදිහකට කියනවට තමයි කියන්නේ අපි මොකද්ද පුතේ? paraphrase කරනවා කියලා. understood? හරි. ලියා ගන්නකො number 1. Huh?
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, baby.
Madam, I have shared that I think the last week questions essay type answer in the WhatsApp group because I couldn't put it in the Padlet.
Huh?
Can you check it
Yes.
and give
I
feedback?
I will do that. I will do that. Drop me a message there so that I will get the question, get your chat to the front line. Okay.
It means, madam, I should type the question.
No. Just type hi in your platform so I will get your. Okay, I received your. I have yours. Puthe done? Can I have your answers? අනෑ ඔයාලට මං කිව්වද ඔයාලට තව ඔයාලගේ paraphrase version එක ලියන්න කියලා කිව්වද? Did I ask you to write your paraphrase version? No, I didn't. Right. අපි යමු තව එකක් explain කරලා බලමු. මේ බලන්න. In Emily Dickinson's poem, how does the poet shows the tension between nature's beauty and its harsh reality through the action of the bird? බලමු අපි. See this one. In Emily Dickinson's poem, how does the poet shows? Here show, right? Here depict. Sorry, one. The bird's behavior to retention. Poem, how does the poet shows the tension between nature's beauty and the danger, harsh danger. Okay. Tension, bird's behavior. Right? In Emily Dickinson's poem, how does the poet show the tension between nature's beauty and its harsh reality through the action of the bird? How does the Emily Dickinson depicts the bird's behavior to reveal both beauty and the danger in nature. Okay, so the format is changed. Some words are replaced and format is changed. This one, explain how Tennyson uses imagery and figurative language in the eagle to make the bird a symbol of power and freedom. In the eagle, how does the Tennyson uses? Ametana sentence pattern එක මාරු කරලා තියෙනවා. Imagery and figurative language. Uses figurative language and vivid imagery. Imagery කියන එක extend කරලා තියෙනවා vivid imagery. ඊළඟට to make the bird a symbol of power and freedom. To present the bird, right? To make the bird, to present the bird as a powerful and majestic creature. Okay, right? Power, symbol of power and freedom. Here, powerful and majestic creature. Question එකේ සම්පූර්ණ replace version එක. හරි, පුතාලා මට මේක ලියලා දෙන්න බලන්න. How does William Blake personify the evening star and what mood is created through his description? This one, huh?
Teacher, we can't see the whole question.
You can't do what?
We can't see the whole question.
You can't see the question. Why is that? Full question. Because that screen is there. Shall I remove it? Is that okay now? Yes. Go ahead now. Dave. පුතේ please type your version ටග්ගාලා ඔයාලගේ answer එක ලියන්න ටීචර්ට. යාද? Aisha, why are you so sad? Give me the answers. Okay, explain the mood and the personification of the goddess Venus denoted by William Blake in the poem. Explain the mood and the personification of the goddess Venus denoted. Okay. Okay, right. Explain the mood and the personification of the goddess Venus denoted, okay, by William Blake in the poem. Good one, Aisha. Noor Rahma, how does the William Blake symbolizes the evening sun? What kind of atmosphere is illustrated through his poem? Very good. Noor Rahma, very good. Usman, miss you. Miss, you are very, very laggy. Seriously. මන් දැක්කේ නිකන් miss you are very very ugly කියලා මාව නිකන් heart attack එකක්. Yeah, I was like, Usman, why are you talking like that? Even though it's true, you should not say such things to the face. මම දැක්කේ නිකන් miss you are very very ugly වගේ. මට mini heart attack එකක් ආවා. For the first time somebody told me in that way. Nature is something unique which is quite inside and powerful in. What is this? Azka, nature is something unique which is quit. Can you stop? Cease. Navatano.
Sorry, madam, it's quiet.
Q-U-I-T-E. Q-U-I-T. Quiet in inside and powerful in outside. Okay. Silent in inside, powerful in outside. Okay, right. Is there any other answers? Yes, Amodhya. How does Blake describe the evening star as if it were human? And how does this affect the feeling of the poem? Very good. Right. With that, we have come to the conclusion. So the next week, I will bring some questions and I will introduce you a structure that is this one. Opening paragraph, introduction paragraph, I am not going to make any changes. But the body paragraph, I am going to teach you 3 different types of writing. You can choose the one you want, right? I have already taught you PEAL method. Point, explanation, evident and link. More than that, I am going to teach another 2 ways that you can use for your essay writing. You can pick the one you prefer. ඔයාලා කැමති එකක් prefer කරලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. අපි writing part එක මම මේ එක එක step එකෙන් හදාගෙන එන්නේ. paraphrasing ගත්තා, creative start writing ගත්තා, ඒ වගේ අරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ බොඩි එක හදලා ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පොඩ්ඩක් vocabulary standard vocabulary set එකක් මම practice කරවනවා essay writing questions වලට use කරන්න පුළුවන් ඕන question එකක් આવොත් use කරන්න පුළුවන් වගේ common vocabulary set එකක් මම දෙනවා ඒ ටික by heart කරලා ඒ ටික දාලා sentence ලියමු right we will use those vocabularies and write දැන් ඉඳලම අපි we are getting ready for our exams ඊට පස්සේ මේ ඇවිල්ලා preparations මේ ඇවිල්ලා prepare වෙන stage එක මේ prepare stage එක මාර්ච් වෙනකොට නවත්තන්න ඕනේ right preparations අපේ අඩුපාඩු හදා ගන්න දේවල් additionally දාන දේවල් මාර්ච් වෙනකොට ඉවර වෙන්න ඕනේ මාර්ච් වලින් පස්සේ තන්නේ කර ඔයාලා ready bullets වෙන්න ඕන ready made bullets වගේ තියෙන්න ඕන දෙයක් ඕන විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට තාමත් මම දැන් තමයි ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්නේ ටීචර් තාමත් මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ කියන තැනට මාර්ච් වෙනකොට එන්න එපා දැන්ම ඉඳලම අද ඉඳලා දැන් මම ওই ડોකියුමන්ට් එක ඔයාලට එවනවා හරිද paraphrase එකේ තියෙන ડોකියුමන්ට් එකත් එවනවා creative writing එකේ තියෙන ડોකියුමන්ට් එකත් දෙකම මම අද හරි හෙට හරි දානවා LMS එකට එතකොට පුතාලා මොනවද කරන්න ඕන ඒකේ තියෙන poems ඔක්කොම ගැන ඔයාලත් ලියන්න I have given example for 20 poems but we practice for only 2-3 right because we can't practice 20 poems at class inside the class during the class hours but at home during your free times you can do that that's how you can improve yourself okay Pute so make sure you practice it okay Puta God bless you good night
Thank you, teacher. Good night, teacher.
you're welcome Pute welcome